So we just got back from Home Depot and we got a new paint sample because the one that we got yesterday was too light of a color, so we matched it better this time. And we also got the little rolling tray and rollers to paint the wall. And then we also got a new outlet because the outlet in our living room is broken. And we're gonna try to fix this because we don't want to hire an electrician, and we also don't want to tell our landlord that we broke the outlet because that's our security deposit. So we're gonna try to do this. Don't recommend doing this at home. Please get an electrician if you need to fix something like that because, you know, it's dangerous. But we're gonna turn off all the breakers and try to do it ourselves and see how it goes. It's pretty simple. I mean, all you have to do is like wrap the wires around the little screws on the side and then on the bottom. So we're gonna try doing it. The moment of truth. So we want to plug something in? I'm so scared. We are now electricians. So now that that outlet's fixed, we moved on to patching any holes in the wall, as well as packing up some stuff that's in the living room. And then we had a wall that had to just be completely repainted because like the whole thing was messed up. So that's what I'm doing here. And then John is painting over some of the holes that we patched up. So we went to Home Depot and we got some moving boxes. And we packed up the living room and it looks a hot mess, but I am starting to pack my room and I'm so sad because my room is like, you know, it's such a vibe. So I'm just gonna start by taking things off the wall so that I can fill any holes. And then I also got paint, so we're gonna paint the holes after we spackle and sand them. And then after that, I'm thinking to just clean out my closet. I'm gonna clean out my drawers too. There's just so much to do. So here I'm just taking down the decor from my wall, as well as removing my little accent wall that I did with masking tape. And then I'm just spraying the wall with some warm soapy water and wiping it down with a microfiber towel. And this removed any of the acrylic paint that seeped out. And now the wall's perfectly clean. And I'm moving on to removing any other artwork from my wall, as well as taking down all the stuff from my little gallery wall that I put up. And I try not to use nails or anything in the wall for the most part. It's just command strips, but if there were any nail holes, I just removed the nails and patched with some spackle. Then I took my TV down and I spackled over the holes where the mount was, as well as spackled over where my dresser was because I had something hanging over there. So I just painted this wall and covered up the holes. I also covered up the little spots that were right there from the curtain rod. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna also paint this spackle to cover that up. And then over there, literally everywhere. Now I'm just taking out the clothes from my closet that are on hangers, and I just like folded those up, put them in the box. And I had enough space in the box to just put the rest of my hangers in there. And then I took out all the clothes that were in my drawer and put them in a box as well. And I roll my clothes usually and I fold them pretty neatly, so that was easy to get all that stuff together in that box. So I'm going through my old school assignments and stuff, and I found some stuff from high school, and I would really like to know how the hell I got into FIT with this. Like, what? Look at that face. That's disgusting. I cannot believe that I really put these in a portfolio and I got into the #1 fashion school in the country. No words. This is a living room, a hot mess, as you can see. So pretty much like most of the stuff is packed in the living room. Like this closet right here is completely empty, and then all of our stuff is piled up in front of it. So I have these 3 garbage bags are literally just filled with my shoes, and I cleaned out my closet and I threw away some stuff, and the fact that I still have 3 boxes full of shoes is just annoying. My suitcase, which has other suitcases inside of it, it's also broken. Honestly, I need to just get rid of this. I need to get a new one. But yeah, and then I have this reclining chair that I just took apart so that it'd be easier to carry it in 2 pieces. And then we have a bunch of mirrors here. Yeah, so I'm gonna make breakfast and then we're gonna go to the apartment and clean everything and then come back and start moving in. So great for us. The kitchen completely empty. I'm gonna make breakfast right now, so I have some stuff out to do that, but empty. And all of our stuff is out here. What are we doing?
We are on the train going to our new apartment, and we are getting all of our cleaning supplies there, and we're gonna clean the fuck out of that place.
We got the last of everything. This is my old room. I will miss you. I don't know why I'm doing this in the dark. Hello, lights. Okay. I will miss this room. Beautiful big windows, nice big closet. And here's John's room. Bye-bye. And look at the living room. These are stuff that we're gonna we're gonna give them away. And some of our friends wanted some stuff, so we're gonna do that. And then, you know, we're pretty much done. And this is John's room. I like that we have like a little step up. And look at the freaking doors. That's so cute. His room is super cute. And then we have the little fireplace, which doesn't function, but we're gonna put candles and stuff there. John, where are we going?
We're going to pick up the U-Haul right now to go and move.
I'm so scared. I feel like that Vine where the girls stole the school bus.
We're really out here whipping the piss out of it.
Bitch, I thought we were gonna steal a bus. Bitch, she really got the bus and whipping the piss out of it. Whipping the piss.
That's gonna be us with this fucking truck, but oh, we shall see.
I want to rock.
Anyways, so what did we just do?
We went to Marshall's and got some things for the bathroom. Oh, it's so weird. Got some things for the bathroom. Yeah, it's about to look real cute. We will update you after it's done. She's about to show you the little soap dispenser that we got.
$7.99. Super cute.
Boom.
We also got towels. We also got a little, what do you call this? Toilet brush. And then this cute little garbage can that like flips up like that. And then shower curtain liner. And this nice textured, if I could get it out, textured shower curtain. And last but not least, a fruit bowl. Tan fruit bowl. for la kitchen, which looks a lot better now. Organize the cabinets, and then we put the coffee maker, and we got a paper towel holder, you know, nice in there. And there she goes. Cute. I don't know if that's gonna stay there, but that's where it is for now. Now I'm hanging up the shower curtain and the liner for the bathroom, and here is where I realized that it was way too short. It's not long enough. Hang up the shower curtain. It is not the right length. We decided to just put the bathroom on hold for now, and we put up the curtains in the living room.
You better work!
My room is a hot mess. I don't even know what. It's just not looking good because my bed is still not done, and that's not made because I was just washing my sheets, but I think they should be dry now. Let's check. All right, I got literally 1 minute left, and then I can put my sheets on. So yeah, I just was finishing up washing my sheets, and then I'm putting them on my bed, and I need to just like put the stuff on top of my dresser that is in this box, and then I need to organize my desk, and I also need to figure out where this is gonna go. This cubby here like has my hair stuff, but it's just not gonna fit right there. It's not where I'm keeping it. I'm going to just finish unpacking what I can unpack so that I can have my room look a lot more organized. It's literally like 4 in the morning right now, but I just want to show you guys the process of, you know, how my room is coming together, because I ate dinner, my roommate and I hung out, and like I totally got sidetracked, but I did some stuff and I'm happy with it so far, and I'm pretty much done. I have my dress form here, my desk there, corkboard, and then my little cap and my diploma. I have my makeup over here and some vitamins, and then I have my nail polish rack above my dresser with my jewelry and like lotion, perfume and stuff. My mirror right here, and then I have my lamp over there, which looks really cute when the light's off, and I have some books and a little candle on top, and then I have my bed and headboard, which is covered with my TV and like a bunch of different clothes and towels and stuff. I'm gonna mount my TV over here maybe, because there's already 2 mounting holes in the brick, so I wouldn't have to do that myself because I do not have a drill bit that can drill through brick. So I might just do that and then move my mirror over, because my TV is a swivel, so I can like turn it out to face me when I'm watching it and keep it flat on the wall when I'm not. So that's convenient. So yeah, I put my shoes that I don't wear up there. I shouldn't say I don't wear, because I do wear them, but every once in a while. So I'll just use the little stool to get them when I need it. Then I have my suitcase up there with some other bags inside of that bag. And then in my closet, I have more of my shoes and my clothes. And then I put my little cubby with my hair products in here, so I will be able to just reach in and get these when I need to do my hair. And then underneath I have some bags and then more shoes that I'm going to put on the shoe rack once I put it together. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, and when it's done, I'm going to sweep and mop the floor, and then I'm going to put down this rug over here, and then I'm going to go to Marshall's or Home Goods or something and get a little runner maybe in like either the tan or the white color. Not sure yet, but I want to get a runner for right there, and then I'll be pretty much set. I'm going to put up my artwork at some other time once I figure out the best way to put up artwork on a brick wall. And then she's pretty much done. And then let me show you what it looks like with the lights off. So I have my red light there, and I have my Himalayan salt lamp right here. So it just gives like a really nice glow, a little ambiance.